So, hello Pratna, how are you?
Yes, good morning, and I am very well. How about you?
I'm also very well, just like you. Yeah.
After a long time we have connected, so tell me that how's your life going on? It is going well, smooth.
Yeah, it is going smoothly. Really, after a long time, we connected today, and
Mm-hmm.
everything is going good. And yeah, my practice is also going good.
Mm-hmm. Okay, nice to hear that. Nice to hear that. Okay, so what are you doing these days?
These days, nothing, only house chores, and rest of the time, I keep doing my practice of English
Mm-hmm.
because learning English it itself time-taking process. It
Right,
requires efforts. So
right,
I'm putting all my efforts in learning this language in order to get fluency. Yeah.
right. You are fluent. You are fluent. You speak, smoothly.
So gradually I am removing my issues.
Okay, okay.
Tell me
Yes,
about yourself. How is going everything?
yes, everything is going well. I started my classes, so that is also going well. My kids, family, everything is well.
Okay, so after a long time today we are meeting. So I want you to introduce once again.
Yes, yes, of course, of course. Thank you so much for asking me again. My name is Prarthana from Madhya Pradesh, mother of two baby, and I have done my graduation. I have done my Bachelor of Science, and I started teaching, so I can say I am a teacher as well.
Yeah.
And yes, this is my
Yeah.
life. And if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobby keeps changing, but one thing I like most, playing with baby, spending time with my family. So these uh, some of I have hobby, and I love learning new things, talking to people. And these days one hobby it is also I have invested, that is the teaching. I love
Yes.
teaching. I love teaching.
Yeah.
Yes, this
That's
is
the introduction. And you are
Mhm.
teaching very well. I have seen your classes on YouTube, on your channel. They are
Yes,
very informative. They are very good. You are
yes. I do
imparting your
upload.
knowledge. Yeah.
Mhm. I do upload some classes. I cannot upload each and every classes, but some of I try to upload there who wants to learn, sitting at home without spending money, so they can learn.
Yeah.
Like we learn, so same watching YouTube video they can learn. So I try to upload. And if anyone don't know that my channel name, so my channel name is Prarthana is here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Very nice. All classes are very productive. I
Mm-hmm.
have seen that. So tell me about your practice. In which way you are doing your practice? I think you started conducting your classes, so it is one of the best way to practice your English, right?
Yes, yes. Actually, see, um, we get fluency by speaking, but correction we get through grammar. So I had that fluency when I was beginner as well, but I was doing a lot mistake because I didn't know grammar. So since I started my class, I started learning grammar step by step, step by step. So that helped me a lot, and still it is helping me. My classes it helps me to improve my English as well. So I say grammar play a vital role. It is,
Yeah,
if we good at in grammar, so definitely we will speak correct and we do less mistakes. So
yeah,
I can say yes, I try to learn how to frame sentences, how to say this sentence, how to say this sentence, and I try to teach as well as I try to connect with people. I have my own group, WhatsApp group. So tell me that how's you are doing your practice, and how you maintain your day, and how you make your day productive. Lots of question I have asked. Just reply
yeah,
one.
yeah, definitely. So, if I talk about practice, so I have a great passion to improve in English. So,
Mhm.
because of that, although Skype is banned and I haven't made frequently conversations with other learners. But
Mm-hmm.
every day I read something, I spoke something, I keep speaking with my daughters, with
Mm-hmm.
myself even. I'm doing house chores and just keep speaking inwardly in my
Mm-hmm.
mind. So
Mm-hmm.
this way I have been doing practice, and apart from these activities, I
Mm-hmm.
keep listening English podcasts or any conversational videos like the channel Pratna is here on any channel. I keep listening. So
Uh-huh.
this way I'm improving. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay, nice, nice. Because listening and reading and speaking, these are, some of point we need to work on there.
Yes.
So
Yes.
if we want to speak good, so yes, you are
Yeah.
working everywhere.
Yeah.
That is the good. That is the good.
Yeah.
Okay, it's nice. Hmm.
So because English is not our native language, so we need to put some efforts in
Right,
order
right.
to speak fluently. So yeah, this way I am putting as much as I can do.
Hmm.
Although I'm homemaker, I have a lot of responsibilities to do. You must have known the responsibilities.
Yes,
So
I
yeah,
am
this
going through that responsibilities.
yeah,
Oh,
you are also performing all the household responsibilities. You
right.
also have kids. Yeah, I understand.
That is not countable. No one count like what I am doing there. You
Yeah,
know, whether they just woke up dawn and around, I can say last in the last they sleep. But no one, do attention. No one pay attention. No one do focus there. That what they are doing, a whole
yeah,
day they are working. They are, they are spending their whole life for us. No one gonna pay attention there. So we if we are doing extra something like connecting to people, doing these things, so
yeah,
here people know only by our name, that who puja is, who is
yeah.
prarthana, right? Otherwise we are known by our parents name, husband name, right?
Yes, yes, right,
So
right.
this is quite different we started doing, and I love it doing as well.
You know, this issue is with every woman, I think.
Right, right,
They
right,
devote their life for the family, but very
right.
less people value the work of women.
Work of
So it
women.
is the issue, and you know, everyone knows the value, but they don't say.
Right. Whenever we go somewhere else, whenever we left our house, so they always realize that who we are, what we are doing. They
Yes,
cannot make food, by themselves. So at that time they realize, but after some time, they
yes,
take advantage. Ki this is her job, and she has to do. At least yes, I do same. I one day I was watching a reel, so I have seen there some of person they were sharing ki, don't wait for your husband he come
yes,
and praise you, you have done this that, just praise yourself whatever you
yes,
are doing, so praise and be happy. Don't think like your husband come and makes you happy, then you feel happy, oh my husband says like that,
yes,
blah blah blah. So just feel inside your heart, no, whatever I am doing, I am very happy, I'm very special, right? And you know
yes.
what, I take day off on Sunday. I do not do any kitchen work. I say to my family member, you do.
It's good. It's good.
So I say today is my holiday, man. Do
Yeah.
you all do. You make breakfast, you make lunch. Do what I do each and every day because I feel sometimes bored. So today this
So
responsibility is yours. Just do. So they do. They do.
one day you should do at least. Yeah.
Right. Right.
So it's the
Right.
way. If you want to be happy,
Mhm.
so it is the way. Just avoid everything. Just keep doing your work and just praise
Right.
yourself, value yourself.
Right. Right.
If you get a chance to do something apart from English, so
Mhm.
what it will be?
Yeah, it is nice question. I am very good at it designing dresses. So if I get chance, definitely I want to do something for that. I want to open a company for my dresses. I want to design some dresses, and I want to do something for that.
I'm
Mhm.
also fond of stitching, making embroidery. I
Wow.
love doing this kind of activities.
I want to say, do whatever makes you happy.
So tell me, what work is stressful for you?
What work is stressful? Editing video, it is very boring. Or again and again listen, again and again,
It's very
cut
time
that
consuming.
little part
And
and then joint. So it is very time consuming.
making
And
thumbnails.
yes, and writes everything there, and that is very boring task.
So, Pratna, I would say that despite having young children and still you are doing great job. It's commendable.
Thank you, ma'am, thank you.